Alaska Airlines by Nico Del Maggiore. In this project, we are going to discuss what tactics the company uses to motivate employees or stakeholders. What is a big motivator for them? And does the company use praise or other feedback mechanisms? Some employee benefits may include travel privileges, healthcare, 401k with company match, quarterly and annual bonus programs, holiday pay, employee stock purchase plan, employee giving and volunteer programs, paid time off, work-life employee assistance, family and medical leave, and also employee discounts. When it comes to working for Alaska Airlines, they provide their employees with many benefits. Their big motto is making the world a better place overall, and getting involved in communities is one of their strong suits. In regards to the community, Alaska Airlines will hire military veterans and their families. They're strong believers in supporting the military and giving back to the people that give to us. Another strong suit that they have going for their community is the diversity that goes on with their employees. Their big motto is make the world a better place. There's no judgment there. And it's something that nowadays in the world many employees look for is the diversity among their fellow employees. Another great benefit that Alaska Airlines has brought to the world is that they give back to the youth by teaching kids about opportunities and careers and involvement that go on with the company as well as outside of the company. Alaska is always searching to better themselves and make their company a better company than it was the day before. And I'm a big fan of their airlines as well and how they treat their employees. As to working for Alaska Airlines would be the employee benefits that they receive, as I listed before, trading privileges, as well as good overtime. Some employee cons that have been mentioned, whether it is in a blog or in some other form, is they claim to have bad scheduling. One employee claimed that they were constantly covering for many employees and that the pay is very bad. Pay is almost minimum wage, is what one employee claimed.